So today is Saturday, January the 7th, and this is another shop update on what's going on with the remodeling. So now, got two of the three collars here to continue the stripe right around the front of the mezzanine. So that's looking pretty good. We're starting to actually clean and organize the shop up a little bit. Finally, getting rid of all that scrap wood and tore down the scaffolding there, put it back out of the way, because actually next weekend we do have my local MG club is going to be having a tech session out here. So I wanted to get that out of the way and start cleaning up. Got this whole area here where I think I want it laid out, and at least a way that I think it's going to work. We'll see. I have to work with it a little bit. Got my staircase all installed there. And I've now taken out the old wood burning stove. So now it's not out in the middle of the floor here, taking up all kinds of space anymore. Did a little research on this thing and come to find out that the company that made this thing went out of business in 1952. So that means this thing is at least 70 years old. Still in really great condition though. So I'm going to put that on Marketplace and try to get rid of it. But now, with all this space opened up here, I've managed to hear those four words that every guy just loves to hear. It looks so big. So I built the staircase all to code, so all the steps. That was one of the big complaints about my old place, is the steps were a weird spacing and it was hard to walk up and down. And we got all of the decking completely on up here. So now we're ready to start painting all of this. It's going to get painted a light gray. And once it's painted, then I will get the other heater out here, install that in here. And then we can start worrying about the handrails and figuring out all my shelving up here.